Hey guys, it's George from Currys, and today we're going to be looking at 3 things we love about the Beko UltraFast washer dryer. It lets you get things done quicker, it automatically gets the best results, and it gets rid of bacteria. Now I'm going to get myself over to the lab to check it out. With this washer dryer, you can speed things up when you're stretched for time, which is particularly handy when you have an outfit that you need to get cleaned and ready to wear for later that same day. With UltraFast, you can get a load of up to 6 kilograms washed and dried in around 3.5 hours. And it gives you perfect results every time. The load comes out dry, lovely and warm and ready for ironing, so you can start wearing your clothes in a matter of minutes thanks to the quicker cycle. There's also no risk of your clothes being damaged from over drying because the sensor drying programs know the ideal time to stop the cycle. They measure the moisture level inside the drum and stop the cycle when the perfect level of dryness has been reached, ultimately saving you time and money. You can also be sure that your clothes are being properly cleaned with hygiene therapy, which kills more than 99% of bacteria and viruses using nothing more than hot air at high temperatures. If you want to find out more info on the Beko UltraFast washer dryer, why not visit us in store, head online, or you can even talk to one of our tech experts on a Shop Live video call.